Students, today we are going to discuss about the chemical properties of aromatic amine. Chemical properties of aniline. It is the category of aromatic amine. Here we take an important nominated reaction named Schotten-Baumann reaction. Students, this reaction belongs to the category of a test of aniline or aromatic amine. In this reaction, aniline react with benzyl chloride. Its formula is C6CH5COCl. In the presence of base like as a NaOH, sodium hydroxide, it is also known as caustic soda. So in the presence of sodium hydroxide, it subtracted hydrogen chloride HCl to form benzenilide. So we say that this reaction make enolites. Now we take their chemical reaction as a test. Aniline molecular formula is C6H5NH2. It reacts with benzyl chloride. The formula of benzyl chloride is C6H5COCl. It is in the category of acid halides. So it named benzyl chloride. And this one is aniline. Both react with one another in the presence of sodium hydroxide, NaOH. Here a single atom of hydrogen subtracted with Cl, chlorine atom, to form HCl and make C6H5NH and COC6H5. COC6H5. This product is known as benzenilide. And the process or mechanism is known as Schotten-Baumann reaction. This reaction is also nominated reaction with benzyl chloride. Reaction with benzyl chloride. Students, now we explain this reaction with the help of reactant structural formula. The structural formula of aniline is C6H5NH2. Also we make it in lateral form. So it is the structural formula of aniline. Also the lateral position of aniline structure is given as NH2 or NHH. It reacts with benzyl chloride. The formula of benzyl chloride is C double bond O and single bond Cl. Also represented by the lateral structure of benzyl chloride. C double bond O and single bond C. In the presence of NaOH, it's a restricted hydrogen chloride HCl. To form benzenylide. The structural formula of benzenylide is given. NH single bond C and double bond O. This is the structure of benzenylide. Also, this structure is represented in lateral form. It's a restricted HCl to make NH C double bond O and double bond. This one is known as benzenylide. Now we discussed about the uses of aniline. It is most important compound for the formation of colorful dyes. For preparation of dyes. It is most important for the vulcanization of rubber. It is used for the vulcanization of rubber. It is also useful for the formation of benzene diazonium chloride. Its formula is C6H5 and 2C, named diazonium chloride salt. And it is also very useful for the formation of SIP bases. So, for the formation of SIP bases, These are the important points or important uses of aniline. Now we cover this B section of chapter nitrogen containing compound, especially in the category of aromatic amines, and take a test to prove that the testing of aniline. We explain this test with the help of chemical reaction. So we discussed about the test of aniline. Test of aniline. It is a chemical test. Also various tests are available for the identification of aniline, but here we take a chemical reaction for the testing of aniline. When aniline reacts with bromine water, the structural formula of aniline is C6H5NH2. React with bromine water, excess quantity of Br2. Then it subtracted their hydrogens with bromine to form HBr. Thrice molecule of hydrogen bromide are subtracted. So hydrogen are subtracted with bromine, and bromine adopted by aniline to form a product named TBA. Number 2 position, number 4 position, and number 6 position added bromine. So its correct nomination is 2, 4, 6. Tri-bromo-aniline, and simply it is known as TBA. Its color is light yellow. And its form is PPT. So we say that it gives light yellow PPT. So prove that the test of aniline. Students, here we complete the B section of this chapter, nitrogen containing organic compounds, and in another class we start the third section of this unit, and third section is named diazonium chloride.